Welcome back to the channel, everybody. You're watching the VSO Gun Channel. Thank you all for tuning in. I've got a fun video for you here today. If you haven't been following on the social medias, then you are now appraised that we have a Trebuchet. And if you don't know what Trebuchet is, it is a type of siege weapon that is designed to lob large objects a long distance. There's been a variety of munitions. Ours launches pumpkins. That's partially because we host the Pumpkin Festival here in Ohio every year. But that aside, this video is special thanks to XS Sights. And if you think that that's weird, why on earth would XS Sights be sponsoring this video? Well, it actually turns out that the Trebuchet is aimed by a set of big dots. November 20th through the 27th, XS having a 30% off sale. And without further ado, I give you the sinking of the USS Brandon.
Pumpkins are hot.
The Amish showed up.
Say hi. Are you retrieving the USS Brandon? Yeah, that thing is sinking fast. Nice shot.
Oh yeah, it's like...
Oh yeah.